If you are not using a bidet already, please do one of two things. Number one, just go out and buy a bidet right now. Or number two, finish watching this video so I can try to convince you that you need to be using a bidet. And if you already use a bidet, let me talk to you about this Bidet Buddy. This is kind of like a portable bidet that is absolutely fantastic. My wife convinced me about 10 years ago to start using a bidet. And the first couple times I used a bidet, I was really weirded out about it. I'm like, nah, that's not for me. Then after that, I was like, why have I not been using a bidet my whole life? It's really the only way to actually get completely clean. And if you get a heated bidet, it's really, really nice. In fact, I have heated bidets in 2 of my bathrooms, and in my 3rd bathroom near my office, I have another bidet, but it's not heated. And so I use this because I can put warm water in this, use this bidet, and now I have a heated bidet in all my bathrooms. These items were sent to me by Bidet Buddies, and here is a carrying case for the bidet. Normally I don't care for carrying cases, but in this instance where I want to keep the bidet as clean as possible, this will be nice so I can stick this in my backpack or a car or something like that. So we've got a simple bottle here, and the bidet does come in a pouch. This pouch will also keep it clean. So with the bidet, you put your water in here, screw it on to here, and then do your thing. Here is where you charge via USB-C, and it looks like there are 2 different modes on this. So you just press the button once to turn it on, and then you press it again to turn more power. And if there's no water, it recognizes that and it turns off so it doesn't damage it. What's nice about this bidet is, unlike most portable bidets, you don't have to keep squeezing it or anything. It just sprays a steady stream. It's battery powered, so it just kind of simplifies things. And another nice thing about it is you can put a lot of water in it, as you can see. The other nice thing about this is the spray. There's some bidets that you get that's just like a single stream of water, and it can be kind of painful depending on the amount of pressure. But this has 5 sprays, so it kind of spreads out, helps make sure that you're clean everywhere. This is a really nice portable bidet, and if you haven't used a bidet yet, this is actually a great way to see if bidets are right for you. You don't need to go out and buy a new toilet or a toilet seat or anything like that. Just go ahead and get this and try it for a week. I promise you, you won't regret it. Put some nice warm water in there, and it's going to change your life for the better.